So let's check out my grow tent here. I just want to update you on how everything is doing with my indoor hydroponics using the crack key method. Everything in here is in its own little vessel with nutrient waters, with the exception of a couple here that I do have some little air stones going inside just to give it a little more air. But basically these are simple crack key or DWC systems. As you can see, we got tomatoes coming here. These are early girl variety. They are starting to turn. I'm really happy to see that there's no blossom end rot happening on the bottom of these. That does seem to affect them indoors as well. And everything is secured here with some ropes that I have tied to the ceiling just to create some trellising, hold up those vines because they are getting very heavy. Over here, we have the cherry tomatoes. Got lots of them to pick here and eat pretty soon. I got some Roma in the back. Those aren't growing too big. As you can see, the fruit is starting to turn color, but it's not very big. So not the best results with that plant. And here is my pepper. I just did a video on trying to get this going in a crack key method. I had it in a DWC system. It wasn't growing. The roots weren't really developing very well, but as you can see now, they have made their way through the net cup into the nutrient water. And I also have some tiny little blooms happening here. So looks like we could have some peppers coming pretty soon. And this is my sad little cucumber. I've tried everything to get this thing to produce fruit. It just blooms and dies. Very unhealthy. I've put 2 air stones into this vessel. I've given it all the nutrients that I can think of to try and feed this thing so that it produces. Got it here in the nice grow tent, but it will not give me any cucumbers. So cucumbers might, be off my list next year. So we are in mid-January and things are, just starting to really ramp up here in my grow tent. I wanted to share it with you. If you are interested in learning more about hydroponics, simple systems you can do indoors, I have a free download that you can get. Just click on the description box to that link to get that free download. And as always, I want to invite everyone to join us in our community, Gardeners Growing Together. Besides the indoor growing that's happening here in January, we are also getting ramped up for the outdoor gardening season. So seed starting indoors is another big thing we are talking about and sharing experiences and knowledge on. So if you want to join in on that community, please hit that link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.